All right, it is post-test day. What does that mean? Well, it means you get to open your packet to the pre-test page and you get to look at your cute self and all the things you didn't know how to do. And you're going to look at these problems and be like, what? I don't know how to find the least common multiple of two numbers. Who was I a month ago? Right? This is my favorite day, is when I can be like, oh, look how cute I was. And then you get to show off to your former self by doing the post-test. So you're going to do each of these problems, and you're going to have a teacher kind of correct you as you go along. When the teacher finally gets your score, your final score, then they're going to put it right here. Now, what do you do after that? Well, you're not done yet. I'm going to have you graph every pre-test and post-test that you do. So you are going to look in your swag folder for this packet right here. These pages, 2 pages, are in your swag folder. And you are going to start right here at the Chapter 1 test. And you are going to look at, this is the pre-test score, and this is the post-test score. So if we go back and look, well, on the pre-test, I got 1. On the post-test, I got 7. So you're going to graph both of those numbers. The pre-test was 1. Now, it doesn't show 1 on here. It shows a 0 and a 3, but you can figure out where 1 would go, right? So it'd probably go right about there. And then you get to fill that in with whatever color or whatever thing you would like. Then on the post-test, you got a 7. So let's see, that's like 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Right about there. So now you get to fill in this part all the way up to 7. And what this pre and post test does is it shows that indeed your brain can grow. And indeed, even though math is hard and challenging at times, that it is causing you to get smarter and to get better. Every chapter we're going to do this. And every chapter for the pretest, you may be pretty low. You may be down here in the 0s and 1s and 2s. But by golly, if you do your hardest, and with Mrs. Matson pushing you along, you are going to grow a lot between the pre-test and the post-test. And it's one of my favorite things that we are able to show you in math, is how much you have grown. So that is how you graph a pre-test and a post-test in your math pre- and post-test packet.